Here we go. NickoTheGreeko's CNC Gold VIP Mystery Box. Alright, and your free box is 1314 Black Diamond. 1314 Black Diamond. Your Breaking Bad bonus. 0 for 1. We got whatever the heck this little gold thing is. Alright, and we've got a 12-13 Upper Deck game jersey of John Michael Lyles. We've got a 12-13 OPG Black Rainbow number 3 of 100 Jordan Staal. 11-12 limited 2-color jersey prime number 14 of 25 Benny LeCavalier. 14-25 Benny LeCavalier. We've got a 13-14 Upper Deck MVP Superscript number 24 of 25 Jeff Skinner. 24 of 25 Jeff Skinner. And we've got an 11-12 limited net presence duel numbered 49 of 99 Jonas Hiller and Alex Ovechkin. Jonas Hiller, Alex Ovechkin. Now let's go grab your Black Diamond. Let's bring it back. All right. Black Diamond. All right, now start with the ice topper where we've got an Ice Premier's rookie number 249 Emerson Edom. Double Diamond Luke Robitaille. And a dual jersey Jonathan Huberdeau. Quad Diamond rookie ruby number 150 Zemgus Girgensons. And a double diamond Jeff Carter. Triple diamond Chris Kunitz. Double diamond Yuri Curry. Quad diamond rookie Morgan Riley. Triple diamond rookie Nathan Beaulieu. Base. Quad diamond John Tavares. Base. Quad diamond Alex Ovechkin. Quad Diamond rookie Nathan McKinnon. Nathan McKinnon, Quad Diamond rookie. Sweet. Base. Quad Diamond Mario Lemieux. Jeez, it really is. Mario Lemieux. Triple Diamond Rick Nash. And a dual jersey Justin Schultz. Justin Schultz. Double Diamond Mike Richards. And a championship rings Bobby Hull. Bobby Hull, championship rings. Triple Diamond rookie Lucas Lesio. Triple Diamond Paul Coffey. Quad Diamond rookie Elias Lindholm. What the actual hell? Another one? Elias Lindholm. Double Diamond Wendell Clark. And face. So there we go, buddy.